guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to focus on eyes. I'm going to be using the new Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. I just bought it from Sephora. I did buy the other ones. There's Sapphire, Amethyst, Emerald, and Ruby. If you want to see a video using any of these other palettes, just leave in the comments which one I should do next, and I'll make sure to post that video soon. I also did get the Red Edition Liquid Matte Minis that they had on Sephora. There's 4 different colors in here. I'm going to use it just to kind of bring the look together. I did already do my foundation, my contour, highlight, and I did prime my eyes to get ready. So that way we can just focus on our eyes today. Alright, let me zoom you in and we can start on this look. Okay, to start out, I'm going to be using this color right here in the center. I'm going to be putting that all over the eye just to give a good transition color.
But I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side.
So the next color I want to use is this color right here. I'm going to put that in my crease and in my outer corner. Nice pop of color right there on the outside corners.
Under your spotlight.
Next, I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to build this color right here on the outside, bring it a little bit into the crease, but not all the way over. I think next I want to use this color right here. I'm going to pop that on the outside corner of the eye. I'm going to take this color right here, this, I'd say it's more of a mustard yellow. I'm going to put it on the inner corner just to blend it out to the lighter burnt orange that I used. I'm going to go back in with this color right here just to kind of blend it back together with the yellow. Now I'm going to go back in with this brown color right here just to kind of darken up the outsides because there is a lot of orange in this look. I just want to kind of warm it up a little bit. For the center of the eyes right here, I'm going to use this color on my finger and place it into the center of the eye just to give us a little bit of shimmer. And then using the brush that we had earlier, I'm not going to put any extra color on. I'm just going to sweep it into the crease to kind of blend all these colors. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take this color right here. I'm just going to use this small brush. So dry brush, no. I'm going to spray my brush with MAC Prep and Prime and see if I can pop it into the corner that way. Now under the eye, I'm going to go in with this color and take it the entire length. I'm just taking it to where the tear duct is.
I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.
And then I'm going to take this color right here and drag it just from this corner. I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I just finished up my eyeliner and mascara, so now I'm going to do my lips. And like I said, I have the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This one came in a 4-pack at Sephora. It's a little travel size. These are great because I can take them on vacation. I can toss them in my purse. They don't take up a lot of room, and I would probably use these more than a full liquid lipstick or lip gloss. The 4-pack comes with Heartbreaker, Showgirl, Material Girl, and Famous. Showgirl has more of a sheen. For this, I think I'm going to use the color Famous. I know on the back of the box it looks like it's really purple, but when I open it up, it is more of a burgundy color. So we'll see. I was going to use Heartbreaker, but it is too red for this look. It is really red. Well guys, that's it for this video. I had so much fun doing this eye. I know in the beginning I said I was going to keep it simple, but the colors are so much fun. I ended up using all but 2 of the colors in this palette, and they have great pigmentation. They blend well. I could have gone a little bit darker on the outside if I wanted to. I could have kept it a little more simple if I'd used more of the brown colors, but I really just wanted to get my money's worth for this palette. And then, of course, the liquid lip that I used, beautiful color. It came in a pack of 4. I bought it at Sephora, and these colors are going to get me through winter. They have a bright, bold color to them. They're supposed to last all day. I've never actually purchased Huda Beauty before, but when I saw it, and because it's a travel size, I can put this in my purse, I can put it in a little clutch, be good to go for winter, and not have to worry about an entire huge lipstick or liquid lip taking up room in my purse or clutch. So like I said earlier, I have the other 4 in the Obsessions collection. I bought them as well from Sephora. I mean, if there's one that you want me to do a look with, leave it in the comment section below. This one is Sapphire Obsession. It has some pretty blue colors in there. There's a more of a lime green, a teal, some really pretty blues. The Amethyst Obsessions. This one is really pretty. Inside it, it has some really pretty purples, some lighter colors in the violets. I mean, so many fun colors in these palettes. Ruby Obsessions. These are so pretty. There's a light pink in this one. There's some magentas and reds. There's even a, I guess this is more of a, I'd say it's black, but there's brown undertones of glitter in there. So this one would be a lot of fun to do a look with. And then the other one, the last one, is the Emerald Obsessions. This one, there's a lot of light green colors, but you've got the dark pops of color in like a glittery green. There's like a jungle forest green. It's so much fun. I think it'd be a great look So let me know which one you want me to do next. Leave that in the comment section. But that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed and you like this video, make sure to subscribe down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you get notifications of new posts. And then if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up so that I know you like this video. And until next time, thank you for stopping by.